Okay guys, so I have a 2007 Subaru Tribeca with a 3.0 liter engine. I'm getting a Misfire on cylinders 2, 4, and 6. So Misfire 2, cylinder 4, cylinder 6. So these have been pending. After I drive it for about 150 miles, they pop on.
So this is the VVT solenoid after we removed it. There's just one 10mm bolt, and then you just have to wiggle it out. And it's located right there on the driver's side, and you can see the 10mm bolt, and then the passenger side is right there. So they're pretty easy to get to.